23. Shilpa, Meena and Nanda decided to dissolve their partnership on 31st March 2020. Their profit sharing ratio was 3:1. Their balance sheet was as under. Okay. Capitals are given, bank loan, creditors, provision for DD and general reserve. These general points are given. Land, stock, debtor. Nanda's capital is given in asset side. It means it is negative capital. And cash is given. It is agreed as follows. The value of stock 41,660 are taken over by Shilpa for 35,000 and she agreed to discharge bank loan. The remaining stock was sold at a 14,000 and debtors amounting to 11,000 realized 8,000. Land is sold for 1,10,000. The remaining debtors realized 50% at their book value. Cost of realization amounted to 1,200. There was a typewriter not recorded in the books worth 6,000, which were taken over by one of the creditors at this value. Prepare realization, partners capital, cash account to close the books of the firm. Okay, I hope we can do this easily. So let's start. Question number 23. Realization account. First we transfer all assets to sundry assets. Okay. Land 81,000. Now I directly write in outer column. Then stock 56,760. Then debtors 18,600. 18,600. Nanda's capital will not come and cash will not come. Okay. Now let's start with the liability side by sundry liabilities. Let's see what is given in liability. Bank loan is external, will come. Bank loan. How much? 20,000. Then creditor is written 37,000 by creditors. 37,000. Okay, provision for doubtful is internal arrangement, will come. Provision for doubtful debts. It is given 1200. 1200, all points are over. Okay, let's start. What is mentioned in the adjustment? The stock of value of 41,660 are taken over by Shilpa for 35,000. Okay, so we write here by Shilpa's capital account. Okay, stock. Shilpa has taken stock for rupees 35,000 and she agreed to discharge bank loan. So bank loan is 20,000. She agreed to discharge bank loan. So to Shilpa's capital account. 20,000. This is bank loan what Shilpa is agree to pay. The remaining stock was sold at 14,000. Okay. So here it is mentioned cash. So we write cash by cash. The remaining stock was sold for 14,000 and debtors amounting to 10,000 realized 8,000. You can see debtors 18,600. Okay. Out of 18,600, debtors amounting to 10,000 realized 8. So debtors 8,000. Okay, and there is remaining debtors realized 50% at their book value. So how much was remaining, dear children? 8,600. 50% of 8,600 is 4,300 plus 4,300. 8 plus 4, 12,300. I hope it is clear to everyone. Land is sold for 1,10,000. Okay. Land is sold for 1,10,000. The remaining debtor is over. Cost of realization amounted to 1,200. To bank. No, not to bank, to cash. If cash is written, the children, please write cash. Okay. To cash account. Realization expense. It is given, realization expense is given here 1,200. So we write 1,200. There was a typewriter not recorded in the books 6,000 which were taken over by one of the creditors at this value. So creditor of 6,000 is adjusted with the 6,000. So 6,000 creditors will be reduced from 37. So only 31,000 is left here. Okay children, only 31,000 is left. So creditors are 37. So only 31 will come now. Creditors 31,000 to be paid. I hope it is clear. Okay. And bank loan is already discharged. Here provision for doubtful debt, no need to do anything. So it will be 32,200. Okay. I hope everything is over. Let's do the total.
प्रोविजन का क्या होता था?
Provision is mentioned here 1,200 and then nothing, nowhere it will come. It will be automatically adjusted in profit or loss.
Okay.
Okay. So the total, let's do 14,000, 12,300 and 1,10,000. 1,36,300 will come here. And a total of, I think, credit side will be more. So 2,29,500. 2,29,500. And let's take the balance. If balance remains in debit side, it will be profit to profit transfer to partners capital account. The name of partner is Shilpa, Meena and Nanda. Shilpa, Meena and Nanda. Let's see what is the difference. Just a minute. 2,29,500 minus 81,000. 56,760. 18,600. 20,000. 32,200. It is 20,
2,2,560.
20,940. 20,940. Okay. So let's see the ratio. Ratio is 3 to 1. Ratio is 3 to 1. So let us distribute in 3 to 1. 20,940 divided by 6. It will be 3,490. 3,490 into 2. It will be 6,980 into 3. It will be 10,470. I hope realization account is clear to everyone. Account starts from credit side. So by balance brought down, let us see their capital. Children 80,000 and 40,000. Shilpa and Meena 40,000. Nanda's capital is negative. It is mentioned here children. 23,000. To balance brought down 20,000. 23,000. So 23 is negative capital, will come in debit side. Yes children, I hope it is clear. Huh? Now let's see what is given. General reserve is given 12,000. Okay. So by general reserve, it is distributed into 3:2:1. General reserve is 12,000. Okay. So when we distribute, we will get 6,000, 4,000 and 2,000. Isn't it? Then we see realization account, profit is there na? Yes. So by realization account, how much profit was there? 10,470. 6,980 and 3,490. Okay. Then there is one partner, Shilpa, agreed to pay bank loan. So Shilpa must get 20,000. So by realization, Shilpa must get 20,000. Okay. Now let's see in realization also. Shilpa's capital stock. Shilpa has purchased stock, so Shilpa must give 35,000, isn't it? So to realization, 35,000 Shilpa account will be reduced by 35,000. All points are over. Okay, let's do the total. 2 plus 3. Okay, here 23 is more. 23,000 is here. 23,000 is more. So we need to take difference, and 2,000 minus 3,490, it will come 17,510. Where we transfer? We transfer by cash. Okay. Now let us do the total of Shilpa and Meena. Meena 40 plus 4 plus 6, 50,980. 50,980. Okay. So to cash, 50,980 will be credited to Meena in cash account. And then Shilpa's total is 8620, 10, 470. So it would be 1,16,470. 1,16,470 minus 35, 81,470. I hope it is clear to everyone. So now these amounts are to be transferred to cash account finally. And let's prepare cash account. Let's see what is the balance of cash is given. You can see 10,840 is given. Okay, children. So 10,840 debit side, to balance brought down 10,840. Okay. Now we begin from realization account. Here, where is cash? Where cash is written here? 1,36,300. Okay. So it will go in debit side, 1,36,300 to realization account. 1,36,300. Okay, now let's see here in debit side where cash is mentioned. Cash is mentioned here in debit side, 32,200. So it will go in credit side by realization account, 32,200. Now 17,510 will be debited for Nanda's capital, to Nanda's capital account, 17,510. And Shilpa and Meena also will come here. What they are getting by Shilpa's capital, 81,470. I hope all these points are very clear, dear children. By Meena's capital, it is very, very general, very, very simple. Yes or no? 50,980. Total of cash or bank account at the time of dissolution must be equal because we are closing the business. Okay. So it must be same. Let's do the total. Total of debit side 0, 5, 6, 4, and here it would be 6, 1. 1,64,650. And here also let's check 0, 5, 6, 4, 6, 1. Equal. So I hope this question is clear to everyone. Yes, dear children. Thank you.